Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video I just want to talk about this rig that you see here in the video. I want to talk mainly about it. You can also see that I do have a tripod here, and the reason for this is that it can make your life much easier, and they are actually cheap as well, very affordable. And if you so desire to do videos using your cell phone and you want your cell phone to be well stabilized, you can use this, right guys? There's a adjustable nut at the back, and this is adjustable as well. We tighten after adjusting the phone, we tighten. So this is ideal. You can hold it as well at the end, at the two ends. You can hold this in your hand. This can help you to do a lot of videos with your phone. This rig in particular, as you can see, there are 3 connections at the top. You can use this for 2 microphones or 2 lights and a microphone at the middle. So this is ideal. And the thing I like about this rig is that you can screw this down on the tripod. So this is what we're going to do here. We just screwed the rig on the tripod there, as you can see, right? So once we adjust everything the way we want it, once we adjust this the way we want to, we can go ahead, we can use this to do all of our videos. So what I am going to do now, I am going to use a cell phone, and I am going to just show you an example of what we can do. So we adjust this, so we can use this with different phones, and we bring this down and we tighten the phone. So guys, we can actually take a selfie video, or we can use the back of it and we can take videos. So this is a perfect holder for our phone. Or we can use the back and we can take a video. So this is the perfect holder for our phone. We can have our external mic hook up to our phone, and also you can have your lights if you so desire. So guys, I'll be putting in the description where you can get these to buy, and also the different accessories as well. So I hope that this was helpful. This was just a review on this rig. You can also use this on other mic stand as well. This is my tripod here, so the different stand in which you can use it on. So this can help you a lot with your cell phone in doing videos. So guys, my name is Lens, and I'm out. Do like, share, and subscribe.